Hello everyone. So, welcome to this 11th lecture of this series. And today we are actually going to clean the data. Yes. So, as we clean our houses, we are going to now clean the data. And this is going to be the 11th lecture of this series. If you haven't watched the previous videos, then link will be in the description. Go and watch that playlist. I'm just going to show you the playlist, YouTube. Yeah. So, you can just go, link will be in the description. You can just go and access that. Okay. And here it is. You can just go here and there is the playlist. Here I have all the videos. So you can just access it, visualize the data, correlation in data, and then this video is going to be uploaded. So I hope you have watched the previous videos. Then now let's go on the cleaning the data. Okay, and please stay till the end because there is one surprise for you. So yeah, please stay tuned at the last and let's start this thing. So, it is quite important to prepare your data. So, in the previous video, we have seen about the correlation that how you can see the relation between the two variables that is changing. So, that was an important concept. Now we are going to see that prepare the data for the machine learning algorithm. So, so why to do this? So, there are several good reasons you can see here. Like first reason that it will allow you to reproduce this transformation in any data set. That is the quite important thing. Like when you will get a fresh data set, then what will be the process you will be doing? So that is quite important. So you will be writing actually the functions for this purpose, and that is important. Okay. Now you will be gradually build a library of transformation functions that you can reuse in future projects. So yeah, like we have to optimize the things in such a way that you can reuse the things in a future projects. So that is the simple thing. I hope you got it. Now you can use these functions in your live system to transform the new data before feeding it to the algorithms. Yeah. So you can also transform uh, live system to transform the new data. So you can also transform the new data before feeding it to the algorithms. And it will be possible for you to easily try various transformation, different type of things, and see which combination of the transformation work the best. So that is actually, you can say it is a trial error method that you have to do various transformations in the data, and then you will be able to get the perfect match for of the algorithm, something like that. So let's revert the clean data set. We are going to revert it and we'll be just copying it and paste it. What it will do actually. So this is the collab notebook. You will get it in the description. Just click there and use it. Okay. And if you are okay, so I am just pasting it here. And what it will do actually, you can see that by it will actually copy the strat stratified train set, and you should also separate the predictors and labels, so you don't necessarily want to apply same transformation to the predictors and target value. So actually what we are doing that um, we are actually going to revert the cleaning data set. So you can see here, this is the data set. So let's have a look at what happened actually. Yeah, so you can see here, this is I think that is the original data set because you can see here in the above data, I think there is something. Okay, so we does many transformations. Like we had this median house value, median income, and blah blah, all these things. So now we are actually changing it. Okay, you can see here this was the thing that it was added. Now what we are going to do that we are just going to take that one data, so that we are going to take the data and we are just making it the pure data set, you can say the original data set. Now what we'll do that we'll be actually cleaning the data. So let's start take the broom and let's clean the data. So Let's see about that. What, how to clean the data? First step, what you will do, you'll just write the dataset name. Housing is the dataset name dot info. Yeah. So it will give you a info. So what it will does, that you can see here, like there is a non-null count. So you can see here that 16,512 are the non-null count. Means there are 16, and you can see here that 16,512 entries. Means these are filled up. But the total bedrooms, there are some missing values. So, like it is approx 100 something machine values. So you can actually analyze it from here. Okay. So first thing what we will do, that we uh, to fix this issue, we have three options. What we'll do, that we will get rid of the corresponding districts. So what we'll do, that we'll just remove the row. Second thing is that get rid of the whole attribute. So that is okay, that is the second way. And third is that missing value to set the missing values to some value like zero, the mean or median, and this is called the imputation. Okay, you don't need to remember this thing like what is imputation, but you should have a thing in the mind that imputation is something that actually set the missing values to some value. So you can say that there are three methods like drop NA, there is drop, and then there is a second, third method is also there. So, so this is actually the good method. Why it is good method? We'll be seeing this. Okay, you can see here. Just copy it and let's paste. So you can see like it has actually done some transformation. Let's see what it does. So you can again see this thing, and you can see here like total bedrooms. You can see here total bedrooms are 16,344, and now total bedrooms are 16,512. So it has filled up with the median. You can see here median. If you will just take it mean, then it will be taking the mean. Okay. So I hope you got the thing. So what it is actually doing, that it is actually taking the median, sorry, taking the median of uh, this whole column, and then we are just replacing it, fill NA median in place true. So that is the thing we are doing. There are three options, so you decide to go for the option 3 since it is less destructive. Okay. So it, what it means actually, it means that we are going to fill the things. We can't just ignore the 100 or 150 rows. We can't remove that. So better option is to fill with it median or mean, something like that. Okay. So, but instead of the preceding code, you'll use a handy scikit-learn class that is that is called simple imputer. So I hope you got an idea that what was the imputation, like setting the missing values to some value like median, zero, or something like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to set this simple imputer. So let's copy this code and I'm going to paste it. So you can actually get this code, or you can just write by seeing the video and pause and do it. Okay. Then this is the whole thing. Since the median can be only be computed on the numerical attributes, then you need to create a copy of the data. So we'll be seeing this thing. Okay. So what is happening? Let's see from here. Like benefit is that it will store the median value of each feature. So this will make possible to impute missing value not only in the training set, but also in the validation set and test set and any new data fed to the model. So that is the quite beneficial thing about it. And this is possible to impute. Okay. So what it will does, it will store the median value for the each feature. Okay, that is quite good. Then any new data fed to the model. Okay, to use it first you need to create a simple imputer instance and then you can just start it. Okay, so first, since the median can only computed on the numerical attributes, what you need to do, you need to copy up the data that is only the numerical attributes. So now I want to see also one thing. Just see this thing. Like all these are the numerical values. So how the median is calculated? Median will be calculated by adding all and dividing it. Okay. So like no, not that we like median is calculated when you just keep it in a series, maybe increasing order or decreasing order, and you choosing the in between thing, and that is called the median. Okay. Sorry for the mistake. And ocean proximity is here, so you can just remove the ocean proximity. There is another way, like it can actually take the np dot number. So it can actually take, you don't have to remove the value from the actual data set, and you can actually take only the numerical attributes. Let's see. We will be just posting it and pasting it, and then we have selected it, and now we will be just fit the imputer, like okay, fit the housing num, like the numerical attributes in the imputer. And what it will does that it will actually calculate the median. Actually it will calculate the median for each of the columns, you can say. Okay, yeah. Now you can see the imputer statistics. Just see this thing. I hope you are getting it interesting that how we can actually do it somewhat in automatic way. Like Scikit-Learn is a very good library. You can learn it. Okay, so it will be recommended that you learn it from the YouTube or wherever you find it better. And now you can use the trained imputer to transform the training set by replacing the mission values with the learned medians. It has actually learned the medians. So now you can actually transform it, transform the whole data. Okay, actually runtime actually disconnected. I think, yeah. So missing value can be replaced with the mean value. Okay, you can also change with the mean, or you can also change with the most frequent value. It's depend on you that how you will choose. And now it is your task that in which conditions we will take mean, and which condition we will take median. Just search in the Google, type in the comments, and who will be commenting fast. I will give you a heart, and I will also take your name in the video. Yeah, so do it, because as we'll interact more, it will be better to learn the machine learning. Now, you can see here the two imputers, the two different imputers. That is the KNN imputer. The KNN imputer means like the mean of the k nearest neighbors. It means that in the neighborhood particles, it will actually take the mean and just fill up this thing. Okay, so this is the KNN. You will be actually learning about that what is the k nearest neighbors. It is quite interesting. It is not something rocket science. You can actually see it. Okay, so what I will do is that I will do like this, and this is some values near the line, and that is called the k nearest neighbors. So this is quite interesting because what it will take the length. Okay, it will actually, okay. So it will take the nearest value and take the median of these whole points. Okay, and point and make the take the median. Okay, so that is quite good thing about it. Okay, yeah. Here, I hope you got it. And what is the iterative imputer? Like what it will does, it is really awesome. It trains a regression model per feature to predict the missing values. So it is quite interesting. You can use it, okay, based on all other available features. And it trains the model again on the updated data, and it repeats the process several times, and improving the models and replacement values at each iteration. So it is really amazing that how it is actually iterating the values. So this is the whole thing. You can learn the, it is recommended to you for you to actually learn the Scikit-Learn because we are using it very frequently. Now you can see that Scikit-Learn transform the output numpy arrays. What is the output? Output is numpy arrays when they are fed pandas data frame as an input. So that is somewhat you can say that problem. So what it is going to do that so the output of the imputer transform number is a numpy array. X has neither column names nor index. Okay, you can just see the X. Let's see that what is the X actually. Yeah, this is the numpy array. So like it is looking uh, like the just the numbers. So it is not looking well. So guys, what we are going to do, we are actually going to transform it and wrap the X within the data frame. Yeah. So that is what the role of the panda. Okay, pandas. So we are going to recover the column name and this thing. So just copy it and paste it here. And with this code, you will be able to recover your data. And now you can see housing dot tr will be the actual thing. So this is all the numerical values are here, all the numerical columns are here. You can see that the numpy array is quite vague in looking, and like the pandas is very good in look. So I hope that you have got the clarity of these things. In the next video, we'll be seeing that the handling how to handle the text and categorical attributes. And your question is like in which condition we use mean, median, and the frequently used numbers, something like that. In which cases? So write in the comments. And yeah, one thing that that was the surprise for you that is actually the group. So I have made a group for the ML to AI. Here you can post your queries, anything you have, any query you have, you can just post it here. Like this is some sample that how you can ask the questions, why it is received, something like that. You can ask the questions whenever I will get the time. I'll just post the answer. Okay, and from today onwards, I'll be giving a poll. So so like be active on that poll. I will be posting the questions based on that particular um, that particular thing that we have learned today. So one or two pieces I will be posting. So stay tuned with this thing. I hope that you really like this video. And if you like it, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Meet you in the next video. Please write any comments, anything you have, any issue, please write it. And thank you so much.